All right, so this is going to be a pretty standard room at the Avid Hotel here in Fayetteville, Arkansas. We've never stayed in an Avid Hotel. It is an IHG property, so kind of a spinoff of the Holiday Inn brand, but it's significantly cheaper than Holiday Inn and really any of the other hotels. They're brand new, and so far what I'm seeing, I'm very impressed. Walking into the left here, we're going to have the sink and vanity area. It is Dove products, which is pretty impressive. Sink's pretty small, but standard. It's going to do exactly what it needs to do. We've got a toilet and trash can over there. We do have a standing shower, again with Dove products there. Looks like a pretty good shower head up there as well. To the right of the door, we do have some hooks. There's not a ton of shelf space. Also, pretty much a full-length mirror there. On the left, there is a little slot for an ironing board. We've got some more hooks with coat hangers because it doesn't look like there's a closet here. There's a little shelf or seating area and a refrigerator there, which is pretty nice to have in any room. King size bed, very nice. Yeah, there is definitely no closet here, but we do have some shelf space down here, and it looks like there's a Conair steam iron if we need anything ironed while we're here. Again, another little seating and shelf and storage space. There is a small desk area here. Here's the TV remote, so you can kind of see like it is a pretty small area, but it's totally doable for one or two people. There are nightstands on either side of the table. We've got a phone over here, and it does look like we have two USBs and a standard outlet there. So really nice to have that on either side of the bed. There is a pretty good sized television here, flat screen TV. And then, of course, we have an air conditioning unit. Overall, first impressions, very impressed. Let me know down in the comments, have you ever stayed in an Avid hotel? Let me know what your experience was. And until next time, we'll see you.